Morning to all. Myself B. Vinodini. In today's section, we are going to see about what is the how the case study on the circular queue. So where the circular queue is used. So that will be explained in the or real time scenario. For example, consider the second year computer science engineering students and their advisor went for the industrial visit. So on the way to industry, their bus was stopped in a place due to the traffic signal. By the time the advisor was asking the students how the traffic signal is working and which data structure is used, can anyone can explain it. So in the second year, they are having the data structure subject. So for that they are asking already they are teaching about the data structures like stack, queue, and circular queue and tree. So this is the question is asked by the our advisor. So in that what is the problem statement is how the traffic signal is working and which data structure is used. So problem statement is the most common traffic lights work on the simple timers. Depending upon this is about the how the traffic signal is work. Depending upon the traffic levels at a particular intersection, the traffic light will cycle through the green, yellow, and red at regular intervals to ensure the consistent flow of the traffic in all directions through the intersections. The colors in the traffic light follow the circular pattern. So the colors in the traffic light like red, yellow, and green follows a circular pattern. So the circular queue. Number circular queue என்ன மாதிரி ஒர்க் ஆகுது அப்படின்னா already you know that it is like the queue but in the circular form. The last node is connected to the first node. That is the main structure of the circular queue. So the circular queue is a queue in which all the nodes are treated as a circular such that the first node follows the last node. So in that circular queue is implemented using that array. So in that queue also we have a insertion and deletion operation, and we have the two end is the rear end and the front end. The insertion is done at the rear end. Whenever you are going to add an element, that will be done at the rear pointer. So the suppose you are adding before you are going to add an element means first we have to check whether the queue is full or not. If it is full, we cannot add any element. So that condition we have to check. After checking whether there is a place in queue, circular queue, we are going to insert the element. For the insertion, we have the statement like in the normal queue, we have the statement rear is equal to rear plus 1. But in the circular queue, we have to check the last node is fill means we are going to fill in the first node. So for that condition we have to find there is a different statement are used for the rear and front calculation. For the rear position calculating, rear is equal to rear plus 1 modulus of total number of size of the queue. Suppose our size of the queue is 5 means we have to check that rear is equal to rear plus 1 modulus of 5. So that is the place we are going to insert the new added element in the rear position. So the front end we are going to do the deletion operation. For the deletion operation we have to calculate the front end position. So that calculation is also same as the rear. Front is equal to front plus 1 modulus of total number of queue size. So this is the way we are going to add and delete the element in the circular queue using a array implementation. So we are now coming to our problem statement. In the working principle of traffic light, we already know that how it is working. It is the traffic light is glow based upon the circular pattern of 3 colors. The traffic light functioning is the best example of the circular queue. In a computer controlled traffic system, the circular queues are used to switch on the traffic lights one by one repeatedly as per the time set. So in that first we have the in the left hand side we have the first we have the green signal. After the green signal is over, particular timer the yellow signal is on. At the next timer the red signal is on. So this is the flow is done between the 3 colors in the traffic signal. Based upon that the traffic signal is controlled. So this is the way this is the best example of based on the circular queue concept it is executed. So the solution of our problem is the traffic signal is executed using the circular queue concept. I hope you will understand the concept of and where the circular queue is used in the real time application. Thank you.